move is really close to pass from under the arm that we did with 3 barrels. So this shaker you will throw with half flip, this one with 2 flips in front of you, hand to hand, and the barrel you will throw doing pass from under the arm, and you will catch it inside this shaker. Now we'll do almost the same move, but we again will leave all objects here and we will catch all inside this hand. So we start with pass from behind with half flip by this shaker, then we throw this one with 2 flips and you catch shaker inside shaker, and the barrel do pass from under the arm and you also catch it here. And bam, bam, and do no pauses, and don't forget about breathing. And bam, 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 and bam, bam. This move is a little bit harder than the previous ones. So we will do pass from behind with half flip, then pass from under the arm, then you will throw shaker in front of you, and that's it. Bam, bam, bam. And again, pass from behind, pass from under the arm, straight cast, catch. Bam, bam. Don't forget to watch the flips in all of these moves. Don't forget that first shaker is supposed to do just half flip, and then this shaker is supposed to do 2 flips, and the barrel is supposed to do 2 flips. So you have to feel and understand how to throw your objects correctly. And now we will do almost the same moves, but before we did it this way. 1, 2, 3, catch. Now we will do 4 throws. So we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, catch. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You throw your objects like you do jamming. You throw it here, here, here. Then you leave your shaker here and you catch it shaker inside shaker. And pump, 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 pump. And again, hand to hand, hand to hand, hand to hand. Catch. So first object, first shaker, you throw with half flip, and then the rest objects you throw with 2 flips. And now the same move, but we will start with pass from behind with half flip. throw this shaker hand to hand with half flip. Then you throw this one hand to hand with 2 flips. I say with 2, but it's more like with 1.5. If you hold it like this, it will be with 2 flips. If you hold it like this, it will be with 1.5. Then you throw bottle here with 2 flips. You put shaker inside shaker and you catch the bottle. So this move is just the same, but we will start with pass from behind. Throw, throw, throw,